everything to all creatures. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the feathers and fruits for free. There is a home for the birds and refreshing place for the heart. Always welcome with smiling face, brings the heart in blind state. Thank you.